So, what's up, good people? Welcome to our channel, Kim Kairi Farm. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do that. Also, like our videos and hit that notification bell so that you know the news on in our upload. So today, guys, I am in the farm, and today we are we are getting to see where I source my sugarcane from. I produce the juice. Currently, I'm in the farm right now as I speak, and I will be taking you right where we source our sugarcane from. So don't tune the channel, just relax and watch. So as you can see, these are our sugarcane. I think this rain I've planted last year, 8 months ago. 8 months ago, somewhere September, October, there. And you can see they are really doing well. But I planted some sugarcane here. You can see, I think last month. And then as you can see it has started to sprout. That's good. Also here you can see that, but that have not sprouted. But anyway, there is water, and so we expect that they will sprout. And so these our sugarcane. You can be sure by next year we will be harvesting this. We have not harvested these, but we give them a time to mature. So you can see that also entire line that runs all the way to the field. I also want us to take you to another spread that I planted last month. Yeah, you can see the progress. I think these we are harvesting. We are harvesting these. You can also just look at this. Yes, you can see it has really sprouted, and that's good. I think these I planted last month. That is June. Today we are August 1, and you can see it has really done well. And so this is where we source the sugarcane. You can see them, yeah, all the way going to there, and they are really doing a good job. So also here we come, you can see them, but we have a challenge. You can see like those that have fallen. Those are rodents that I think I have a problem with rodent. I don't know whether I will call someone to come. Simply more. This is more that I've eaten all this and it has fought. You can just see there. Let me just get closer. You can see. Yeah, you can see that is more that has fallen all that. It has eaten the roots, and so it became weak. It fall. I think I will tie them up, and then things will be well. But you can see them here. I think I planted a line here. We are planting, and because the demand is very high, and so you can see just right over here. You can see them. Yeah, this line. And I think they are sprouting. They're sprouting. This I planted, I think July 16. Yes, but you can see like this. Just look at this. These have also started to sprout. Just over there. Just also look at this. They are really doing very well. And so we have planted this line up to there, so that they may make a line, and then we will continue up to the very far ahead. And so we are planting a type that is called a Sucrame Edio. A type that is called a Sucrame Edio. Let me get that type. Let me get closer to it so that you may see. So this is what we call the Sucrame Edio. Yeah, that type. But we have this, I don't know it with the English, but we call it here in Kenya, Muremambirwa. That is in our mother tongue. But this takes quite some time, and so I'm getting rid of this slowly by slowly, so that I'm now replacing it with the Sucrame Edio. The gestation period of Sucrame Edio is very short, just like you can see this. These I planted, they are 8 months. They are 8 months, and you can see how far they are. Unlike this, just that, let me get closer. Just this over here, that have stayed there over 2 years. Over 2 years for it to get to that top, and you can see still not yet. It is not ready to be harvested, and I think I will get rid of those. But basically, this is where we source our raw materials. You can see they are good, they are well. We are doing some irrigation. I think you can see that water over there, because it is on a dry season. But I think we have a lot of work to do, because there are many that are falling, and so we need to tie them up. And so you can see them all over there, and I don't think I'll have to walk over there. It's very big. Then this other side, you can see over there to the far end. I think let me get closer to this. And so this type takes a long time, and this is what I'm getting laid slowly by slowly. Even if it juices, people like it. People like its juice, but the gestation period of it takes quite long. And so if you are a business person, this will really kick you out of the market. And so for a business person, you need to get something that will take a short time to mature, like just like this. So I'm getting this type. Actually, I think in 2 years to come, I'll have this type alone. And so, guys, I don't know how you feel, how you think. We are still producing the juice, and basically we get our sugarcane from the farm. Or rather, this is my home. And so I planted. I have been planting this sugarcane slowly by slowly. I never thought it would come to this certain point. As you can see, like these that are falling and needs to be tied up so that they may grow well. And so these you can see they are putting on weight, because sugarcane is 99% water, and so they require to be tied. And so I think I have a lot of work to do, but basically that is our work. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Just like the video, share it with other people so that they may see. See you in my next video. Goodbye.